The Gifted is Anne's first project with scriptwriter and film director Chris Martinez, who's known to be behind some of the film industry's recent top-grossing comedic movies.
Dito sa last day shoot natin ay ang graduation kasi kagraduate na rin kami sa pelikulang to after a year. Last day. So graduation nila ng high school. So yun, ito yung eksena na kailangan nilang abangan kasi sino ba ang magiging valedictorian sa graduation.
Working on this movie together, Anne and Direk Chris have developed mutual respect for each other's talents and professionalism.
Okay, ako ay homeroom teacher at saka math teacher nila. Ni Anne at saka ni Christine. Lagi kami yung una namin classroom. Yun yung una naming scene, yun yung parang nagpapatagisan silang dalawa ni Christine sa pagpahusayan, no, sa pagiging henyo. So dahil sa math, syempre sagutan sila ng math questions ko. Tapos yung second naman was the reunion na. Okay, so mga successful na sila and they've changed na for the better. Change for the better. So yun yung second namin scene. Ito yung third naman, graduation nila sa high school.
Yes, I think it will be a shock to a lot of people. First time nila ako makikita na ganito ka-healthy. So, ito yung surprise na sinasabi ko sa iyo. Yung unang interview natin na madami pang elements kay Zoe na matatagpuan. Ito yun. Isa pa ito sa major.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zoe Plaza.
You know, this movie that's a very good question. This movie is very different. It may sound like a cliche, but it has a very different plot. Maniwala kayo sa akin, ultimo ako excited na mapanood. So abangan nyo po ito, The Gifted, malapit na.
Both of them wanted to create a noteworthy film, and seeing the snippets of The Gifted has proven that it's absolutely something to watch out for.
And action!
You know, I'm so proud of her nga. Wala siyang reklamo. Uupulo siya sa isang tabi tapos may electric fan dahil I know that it is hot. Okay? Yung totoong taba nga, mainit. Yung pa kayang hindi siya sanay na prosthetic sa ganung kalaki. So I applaud her for that. For her patience, for her ability to withstand anything for the work.
Yung prosthetic na yon, meron lang yung parang expiration, no, na hanggang 2 hours mo lang siyang pwedeng i-shoot. So halimbawa, meron kami shoot na eksena, aabutin ng mahigit 2 oras, kailangan na namang baguhin, kailangan na namang i-retouch or kailangan talaga totally i-redo. So thankful naman ako that she's really a sport and she's really willing to undergo nga yung proseso. So yun ang pinaka-challenge.
And action!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zoe Tuazon.
Naaawa ako kasi syempre ako sa tinakbo din ng karera ko, may napanahon na rin na prosthetics ako at alam ko kung gaano siya ka-irritating. Hindi lang yung feeling sa skin mo ha, pero rin yung sa loob mo pa na parang kailan ba 'to matatanggal? Kasi parang merong multo sa mukha mo. Imagine mo yung naka-fat suit ka. Oo, so talaga namang pati yung kamay niya covered. So talagang na-imagine ko yung sakripisyo niya while doing the Jezebel, while doing yung Showtime. Ang dami niyang ginagawa tapos to become at nagsimula yan ng summer yung fat suit na yan. So doon ko lalo nakikita yung pagiging pro niya at yung love niya for her work. sa pinili niyang profession kasi talaga namang mahirap. Tapos on top of that, nakatiil pa siya. Medyo mataas pa yung heels nung sapatos niya habang carrying all that weight. Oo, ganon. So, ayun ang mga experiences namin.